What are you doing?
I'm sewing.
What do you mean?
Sewing
What?
fairies.
What do you mean sewing and what is fairies?
To these. It's a fairy.
It looks like a fly.
Alright,
What is the purpose of this sewing?
just a minute. I've got to. Can
What?
you move your face
But
and just watch
I am
from
trying to
there?
learn.
Okay, yeah, look there. That's it. Okay, alright.
But what?
Oh, geez. See what you made me do?
What?
I've mucked up my stitches. Hang on.
Stitches?
I have to
What do you
program
mean?
a stitch. It's a pattern. Huh? It's a pattern. Oh.
Very peculiar thing. Why are you doing this?
Oh, I have to make them for somebody.
For
their
what do you mean?
For their puppet collection.
What's a puppet? Why are you laughing? It's a simple question. Why are you laughing?
What's a puppet?
That is my question.
Don't you know what a puppet is?
That is why I asked. What are you talking? A puppet?
It's a good question, actually. I never really thought of that. Well, this is a puppet, and it's made from different materials and used for communicating.
You mean like a two-way system?
Acting. Alright. Or pretend play.
Pretend?
Play. So
I don't understand.
Here's the puppet, see? And then, see, I've almost finished. I just got to do a face. But, and then, see my finger? I put it in there. So
Oh, that must be painful.
and go, hello. Hello, what's your
Very
name?
peculiar thing.
Can you fly?
Yes, I have a great rocket ship.
I have wings to fly. Do you have wings to fly?
I can probably do that. I am very confused.
See?
Mm-hmm.
It goes up, it goes down.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to put this one my finger over here.
Okay.
And then my next one.
That is a disgusting looking thing.
That's the body.
Ew.
And now I'm going to take the pin out.
I'm going to go get a drink.
Okay, you go get a drink.